for you, Haskell. Hopefully doing good. Merry Christmas to you down there in Tucson. Looking straight east. You can see the Illuminati rich people can't stop spraying the sky and dumping particulates into it. That's looking straight east, by the way. As you can see, another one right here, right? Hang on, it'll show up. It's so hazy from all the fireworks last night. You know, people having fires because it's cold. It is cold. There's your Illuminati sprayer. I built a system that tracks it all, so I get to see every single one. Let's see if you can guess who that is just by looking at it. So this is basically what I have to deal with in the year 2022 is a bunch of rich assholes dumping their particulates into the sky and lying about it and charging for health care. Right? Okay, so let's get off that. Alright, and you can see we've got evisceration down here. Give it a second. Cameras, it's cold. You can see we've got our flat clouds, right? Flatline clouds, right? So the Illuminati think we're that dumb. So when the time comes and I have to put my foot down or foot up these people's asses, there won't be any questions, okay? So you got one particulate, in fact, here, I'll zoom out here a little bit. You got one particulate dumper here, one particulate dumper here, one particulate dumper here. You got 3 spraying the sky. So that is how arrogant your rich asshole Nazi government is, because this is the 5th Reich. This is the 4th and 5th Reich. See, there's the other spray right there. Let's see if you can see who that is. Okay, so air pollution, man-made air pollution done by ILLUMINAZIs, Southwest Airlines, Delta Airlines, basically all the bigwigs. NetJets, FedEx, UPS, they all do it. So you got one sprayer right here, right? Right, good camera, by the way. I want to say thank you, Betty, for helping me expose the Illuminati. Illuminazis, as we call them. Right, you got this one right here, and you got another one right there. See it? Hang on, camera's gonna focus. There you go. A triple spray job right now. And if you want to keep that rhetoric of contrails, you can go ram these chemtrails up your ass, as far as I'm concerned. It's a mute point. On Christmas Day, the Illuminatis are out poisoning the air. Mormon Mafia, Masonic Mafias. I don't even think is there any Italian Mafias anymore? Or do they exist anymore? But we always continue to record the asshole, arrogant activity. It's not really a government. It's more like an alien invasion. A lying alien invasion. So, Haskell, hope you're doing good down there in Tucson. Like I said, I'm up here pumping my videos. Keep doing yours. It's awesome. We have to work together to get this done. Bird says, what's up? They're so nasty right now, I'm telling you. Flat clouds in 2022. That's what the Illuminatis can make. By the way, they're going to try to drop the temperatures. They're going to go for another round of air pollution and more rain. So remember that rain they got slated in a few days? Well, guess where it comes from? Nuclear power. Nuclear power. FedEx is in on it. Like I said, UPS is in on it. I haven't seen many military sprayers dumping particulate. But this is originally what we got it for. And by the way, the original intent was to put the clamp on the chemtrails, and then Transpac Aviation showed up in force in 2015, late 2015, 2016, early 2016. And then they started their gang warfare. So it just goes to show you how corrupt the Masonic Mormons and Banjo AI are at Deer Valley. So like I said, when I shut down the air parks, and they're going to get shut down, you'll understand why. Okay? It'll be right in your face. Okay? Hopefully, like I said, hopefully you're doing good, Haskell. Much love. Peace out. Like I said, smell you later, Bohemian Grove, Bilderbergers. Rich people causing problems for the poor. By the way, James, sticking to Psalms 91, bub.